Hi everyone there in Videoland. I'm here with Dean today, who's going to tell you his remarkable health healing story. Dean, thanks for coming, and please share with us what was going on in your life and why you did this.
Yeah, hi, my name's Dean. Yeah, I was pretty overweight. I was about 70 pounds overweight. I had low energy. I had high blood pressure. I was pre-diabetic. And I started a fast and cleansing program. And I came in to see Will and the gang there at Purification Revelation and went on to their program. And that's where I really had the most amount of success. I lost 75 pounds.
Wow.
And my blood pressure became normal. And my eating patterns became more normal. And I had way more increased energy than I'd ever had before in my life. I'm 46 right now, and I have the energy that I did when I was in my 20s. I'm able to now, before I get up and do 8 massages a day, I'm actually able to run miles, swim for miles, and I can do that after work as well, whereas before I could just barely get myself up to go to work.
So this changed your life, it sounds like.
Essentially it did. It gave me my life back again. So I'm very grateful to have discovered the Purification Revelation, colonic therapy with the formula that helps to remineralize the body and get the bloodstream alkalized.
Okay, well thank you very much, Dean, and have yourself a great day.